Do you know that NFTs have been in existence since 2010? It has been well estimated that the average NFT has a carbon footprint equivalent to the monthly footprint of someone living in the EU. It's amazing, right? Now, what is NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token, and non-fungible basically means that it is non-interchangeable. Following this explanation, an NFT simply means an item that is unique and cannot be interchanged with anything else. You can trade it for something else, but what you get won't be the same as what you give. Because NFTs are digital assets that represent actual objects like art and video, they are swiftly becoming a popular way to buy and sell digital art. NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency. In addition to ETH coins, the Ethereum blockchain also supports NFTs. A blockchain is a database that stores information in digital format. Blockchains are responsible for maintaining a secure and decentralized record of transactions. NFTs require the storage of more information than ETH coins. NFTs aren't limited to Ethereum. Other blockchains can implement their own versions of NFTs. NFTs have been the butt of more than a few jokes as of late, considering anyone can right-click and download or view the same file on YouTube without paying anything at all. But owning an NFT isn't really about having the digital file itself. It's more about owning the rights to the original version of that digital asset. When you buy an NFT, anyone can publicly confirm that you own the rights to that NFT on the blockchain. As the NFT goes up in value, the buyer can sell the rights to the digital asset and make money from it. There are 9 different types of NFTs and they are listed below. 1. Art. This is the most popular form of NFT now. Because of its popularity, it is also the kind of NFT that sells the best. The concept of NFTs was a good opportunity for artists to sell their best works online as though they are physical. Right now, a lot of the most expensive NFTs are works of art. According to Luno, the most valuable NFT ever sold is called Every Day's The First 5,000 Days by renowned artist Beeple. This piece sold for a whopping $69 million. There are other super expensive NFTs that are breaking billionaires' bank accounts. This also goes for works of video art. Short videos and even GIFs have been selling like million-dollar hotcakes. Notably, a looping 10-second video called Crossroad depicting a naked Donald Trump lying on the ground has sold for $6.6 million. This one was also by Beeple. NFT is the new gold, because people are making serious money from it daily. 2. Music. This is another type of NFT that gradually becoming popular. Music NFT has been a fungible good for decades, being recorded and distributed on records, cassettes, CDs, and digitally. However, musicians and DJs have been selling their work as NFTs lately, earning some of them millions of dollars in a matter of hours. Normally, musicians typically only pocket a fraction of the money that their music generates due to streaming platform cuts and record label cuts. When it comes to NFTs, musicians can keep roughly 100% of the money, which is why so many musicians are turning toward this method. 3. Video game NFT. This is another type of NFT that is generating some cool cash for a lot of companies. Against speculations, companies aren't selling entire games as NFT. Instead, they sell the in-game contents like skins, characters, and other items in the game. Nowadays, millions of copies of DLC assets are sold to players, but an NFT asset will be unique and exclusive to one buyer. Developers can sell regular DLC, but then sell a limited edition version of it on the NFT market. 4. Trading cards, collectible items. Do you know that NFTs can be bought off as digital trading cards? We all know about limited edition baseball cards selling for thousands of dollars, and the NFT market isn't much different. People can buy and trade virtual versions of trading cards on the market and keep them just like keeping the real thing. And just like the real thing, some sell for over $1 million. Companies can sell all types of collectible items on the NFT market, not just trading cards. If it's anything that you can deem collectible, it can be put on the market. 5. Big sports moments. Because NFTs offer something that doesn't really have a physical equivalent, things like memorable sports moments can be sold for millions of dollars. These are short clips of significant moments in sports history, like groundbreaking slam dunks or game-changing touchdowns. These clips can be as short as 10 seconds, but sell for upwards of $200,000. NFT has offered different individuals and companies an avenue to make money from the least of things. 6. Memes. Things like memes can be bought and traded on the internet as NFT on the NFT market. One interesting thing about it is that most times, the person in the meme is the actual seller. Some of the more popular memes like Nyan Cat, Bad Luck Brian, Disaster Girl, and others are on the list, racking in between $30,000 and $770,000. The most valuable meme NFT sale to date is the Doge meme, which sold for a jaw-dropping $4 million. 7. Domain names. I know you are amazed that most of the things being sold as NFT are the least considered things that can launch you into the world of millionaires, and domain names are not left out. Domain names aren't safe from the spread of NFT fever. You can register a domain name and sell it on the NFT market, and that comes with a certain benefit. Usually, you need to pay a third-party company to manage your domain name. If you buy one on the NFT market, you will be able to claim exclusive ownership of the name, cutting out the middleman. 8. Virtual fashion. Since everything is joining the NFT market, fashion is not left out. Everything bought and sold on the NFT market has been virtual, so why should fashion be any different? You can blow big bucks on a bomb bikini, but you won't really be able to wear it. Folks who buy fashion NFTs will be dressing up online avatars instead. This may look and sound ridiculous, but remember, someone on this planet spent $4 million to own the Doge meme. Owning a virtual handbag or necklace is definitely reserved for more extravagant and fashion-forward individuals. These, of course, will all be uniquely designed and limited in quantity. 9. Miscellaneous online items. The other items on this list were easy to define, but the NFT market is sort of the Wild West of internet commerce. This is exemplified by the NFT market crash that happened a few months ago. As stated before, Jack Dorsey literally sold a tweet. This opens up the possibility for people to sell anything on the NFT market, really. People may want to sell their own tweets, Facebook statuses, articles, Snapchat stories, or TikTok. The sky's the limit. And while they are only seen as collectibles for now, there are a couple of real-world NFT use cases that could emerge in the future. These are reasons why people create NFTs, and they include 1. Lifetime royalties. Artists do not only make money from selling their digital art tokens one time, but can keep earning from them as long as those tokens exist. You can program royalties into your digital artwork, and this allows you to receive a percentage of sales profits anytime the artwork is sold to a new user. The percentage programmed into the artworks can range from 2.5 to 10%, and this ensures that you receive interest on lifetime resales of the NFT art. 2. Cheaper to set up. Since the NFT art sale is conducted online via various peer-to-peer marketplaces to a global audience, you do not have to spend money on auction houses and art galleries. This allows you to keep a significant portion of the profit made from sales. 3. Verifiable and authentic. Although anyone can view your digital artwork token, link to it, or even download it, it is only owned by one person at a time. Once it is entered into the blockchain, it possesses an unmistakable certificate of authenticity because the creator, purchase price, and subsequent owners and acquisition prices are visible and travel with the price. This contributes to a level of market transparency that has never existed in the traditional art world. There are a lot of things yet to be discovered in the NFT market, from buying digital baseball cards to buying virtual Versace handbags. People have purchased many different items as NFTs, yet we're still at the tip of the iceberg. I know with time, the list will continue to grow. The market is open for you to make your own NFTs. Why not give it a trial? I know you find this very interesting. Now like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.